Welcome to the world of endless adventures with Royal MAPS, the ultimate customized outdoor playing equipment for kids. Designed to ignite imaginations and inspire boundless fun, Royal MAPS is the pinnacle of outdoor play innovation. A sprawling playground oasis filled with excitement at every turn. At the heart of it all stands our masterpiece, the Royal MAPS set, complete with a mesmerizing FRP spiral slide, where young adventurers can spiral into laughter and joy. But the adventure doesn't stop there, it's just beginning. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you glide down the sleek FRP wave slide, or engage in a thrilling game of X and Zero, challenging friends to strategic battles under the open sky. Swing into action on our two-seater swing, experiencing the exhilarating sensation of freedom with every sway. But wait, there's more. Let imaginations soar on the seesaw, where laughter fills the air with each rise and fall. Embrace the spirit of playfulness atop the camel spring rider, galloping through imaginary landscapes with every bounce. And crowning it all, the honey bee awaits, a beacon of joy perched at the summit, promising endless hours of imaginative play. Crafted with the highest quality materials and meticulous attention to detail, Royal MAPS is not just a playground, it's a gateway to unforgettable memories. Join us in redefining outdoor play, where every moment is an opportunity for discovery, laughter, and endless fun. Welcome to Royal MAPS, where the adventure begins.